Now see here, from 0 to t upon 2 there is positive half, from t upon 2 to t negative half. Same thing is again and again repeating. So this is nothing but, so this is nothing but a periodic signal. All of you know why this is a periodic signal? Because in a same time interval the signal repeat itself. Why? In same time interval it will repeat. It will, or the same signal will repeat. Okay, if the same signal will repeat, then it is called as a periodic signal. For a periodic signal, the power must be integration of x square of t dt power 0 to t. Power 0 to t x square t dt and 1 upon time. This t is nothing but one cycle, means from here to here. This is nothing but one cycle. Okay? Same thing is repeat on the other side. Same thing is repeat on the other side. So this is nothing but one cycle. Till from here to here, this is time period t. So I am taking as power p is equal to 1 upon t integration 0 to t x square t dt. Now it has two parts. One is positive half side, another is negative half side. So we can divide it into two portions. So on what x of t is equal to 1, means in the positive half cycle it is 1. When it is 1, on the positive half cycle it is 1. Means I will write the condition as 0 greater than x to t upon 2. t upon 2 से छोटा and 0 से बड़ा or less or equal to x of t. Okay, this is the condition of x of t. Same thing, x of t is negative when it is greater than or equal to x t up to t till t. Means 0 से लेके t upon 2 तक ये पॉजिटिव हाफ साइकिल, t upon 2 से लेके complete t तक ये negative half cycle. So positive half cycle is considered as positive 1 and negative half cycle is considered as minus 1. So now p is equal to, we know that 1 upon t 0 to t x square upon t dt. So I can write 1 upon t integration of 0 means t upon 2 to 0 x square t dt. Same thing on the other side, 0 to t x square t dt. Okay, understood? Lower limit should be 0 and upper limit should be t upon 2. It will start from 0 to t upon 2. Same thing here also, it will start from t upon 2 t. Okay, nice. We know that when x value is 0 to t upon 2, at that time x of t is equal to 1. So in place of x square of t, I can put 1. So that is 1 upon t integration of 0 to t upon 2 1 dt plus t upon 2 to t minus 1 dt. Close the bracket. t upon 2. Okay, right now this is nothing but 2t upon t2. So 2t cancel, 2 cancel. Answer is 1. Here the power signal is equal to nothing but 1. And on the next example, what is the average energy of the given square wave? In this diagram, basically in this diagram there is 3 portions. From here -4 to +4. From -4 to +4 means till here to till this. It is constant. See here. Okay. On this side, this is position 1. On this side, from -4 to -5, it is gradually decreasing. So it is position number 2. Same thing happening on this side. From 0.4 to 0.5, it is again gradually decreasing. So here there is 3 steps. Okay. So according to that diagram, the given signal can be written as mathematically. I can write here according on given diagram. We can write the mathematical expression, mathematical representation of signal as means x of t has 3 conditions. So first condition is equal to when here this is constant, means that is nothing but 1. Yes or no? And this is t minus 5. Another is t plus 5. So I can write here t plus 5. At that time the condition must be -4 to -5. -5 or -5 to -4. On the other side it is 1. It is 1. When it is 1, at that time it is -4 to the value gradually increasing till 4. Then t minus t plus 5. Then that is nothing but again the value -4 to 5. Okay. Now the energy signal is E equal to integration of 0 to infinity x square of t dt. Here this diagram is divided into 3 portions. So I will take here as integration of -5 to -4. This condition, lower limit to upper limit, t plus 5 whole square dt plus -4 to 4 x 1 square dt plus +4 to 5, lower limit must be 4 to upper limit 5, and consider as -t plus 5 whole square dt. Here I can put the formula as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Again I can put the formula a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Same thing I am applying this one, a plus b, a minus b. According on that, this is nothing but -5 to -4 t square plus 10t plus 25 dt plus -4 to 4 1 dt plus integration 4 to 5 minus t square. So t square minus integration means TQ upon 3. TQ upon 3 plus 10t means 10t square upon 2 plus 25 dt means 25t. The lower limit must be minus 5 to upper limit minus 4 plus 1 dt. So integration of 1 dt is nothing but t. So plus t, the lower limit should be minus 4 and the upper limit should be 4. Same thing here also. I am applying as TQ upon 3 minus 10t square upon 2 plus 25t plus 4 to 5. Now I will put the values of lower limit and upper limit here. Okay? Here lower limit. To solve this one, we know that to solve this one, upper limit minus lower limit. So TQ means minus 4Q upon 3 minus 5Q upon 3. Same thing plus 10 minus 4 square upon 2 minus 10 minus 5 square upon 2 plus 25 multiply with minus 4 minus 25 multiply with minus 5. Means here upper limit minus lower limit for this one, upper limit for minus lower limit, upper limit for lower limit. Okay, now plus same thing for this one, upper limit minus plus lower limit plus same thing for upper limit 5q upon 3 minus 4q upon 3 minus 10 5 square upon 2 minus 10 4 square upon 2 minus 25 multiply with 5 minus 25 multiply with 4. Close the bracket. If I will solve this one, this thing means from here to here, that is nothing but 20.33 plus 45 plus then next 25 plus 4 plus 4, that is 8 plus again same thing 20.33 minus 45 plus 25. If you like solve this one, then the answer is 8.66. That is nothing but joule. Energy unit is joule. So it is 8.66 joule. Thank you.